My name's Darren and I'm an Education Manager for Digital Skills and Computer Science based at CIRC. I'm going to show you a few of my favourite tools for screen recording and creating video content for tutorials that could be used in your centre to support Young STEM Leader programme. The first tool I'm going to show you is Screencastify, which is a screen recording tool which is a Google Chrome extension, and that means that you don't need any specialist software to use it. You can install it right into your browser. To launch Screencastify, I'm going to open Google Chrome, open up a new tab, and then type in Screencastify. I'm going to click on the top link, and then in the top right you can see I can add to Chrome. So I'm going to click on there. It'll take me to the Chrome Web Store where I can click on this blue button to add Screencastify to Chrome. So Screencastify has been installed into my Google Chrome extensions area, and I can't see it at the moment because I've got other extensions pinned. So if I click on the silhouette of the jigsaw piece, scroll down to where I can see Screencastify and click on pin, you can see now that it appears in my shortcuts. Whenever I log in to a Google Chrome browser with my G Suite credentials, I'll always have these extensions pinned to the top. So it's really handy if you're using a number of different computers to log into your browser to save your settings between machines. I've clicked on the icon in the top bar to launch Screencastify and logged in with my Google credentials. Most local authorities have access to G Suite for Education, and alongside your Office 365 and Outlook email address, you'll have a Google email address as well. And if you log in with this email address, it'll automatically save any videos that you record in Screencastify into your Google Drive. So I'm going to click through here to allow the permissions. Okay, and now I'm ready to go. What I want is for my young STEM leaders to become familiar with the activities in the Science Museum Launchball game. Launchball contains a variety of STEM-based activities and problems for pupils to work through, and what I want is for my young STEM leaders to work through these with a younger class, encouraging them to have a structured problem-solving approach to working through the problems. So I'm going to record the information for my young STEM leaders, so I'm going to press on Screencastify at the top here. I want to embed the webcam so that I can speak to my young STEM leaders as I show them on the screen exactly what I want them to do. Your challenge today is to work through the first 6 levels in the Launchball on the Launchball website. So these are the warm-up levels that will allow you So I've recorded my instructions now, and I'm just going to move my camera over, and then when I press stop, it saves my video into my Google Drive automatically for me. If I had a Google Classroom set up just for my young STEM leaders, I could then share it to the classroom for them so that they would then have access to it. If I use Teams or some other way of sharing activities and resources with my pupils, I could export my video as an MP4 that I could then share in whatever way was appropriate with my young STEM leaders. There are many other screen recording tools available online, such as Screencast-O-Matic, Loom, Zoom, QuickTime on the Mac, there's the iPad screen record feature, Explain Everything, and Apple Clips is also a fantastic tutorial building video application. Please do get in touch if you have any questions or if you've got any feedback or recommendations of other tools that would be useful for people to know about. Thank you.